Hi all, this is Jellyfish and we're playing Super Doomspire. So let's take them down, all of them. Come on, yeah. Oh, he got me. I was jumping. Come on. Let's do this. Sword. Shing, shing. Okay, take that. Okay, charge. Here we go. Need to drop bombs on their spawn point. Number 3. Come on, blow everything up. Come on. There you go. Yes, come on, blow everything up. Come on, 1. Okay. Go. Come on, green team, where are you guys all? I'm blowing your home. And nobody's here to fight it. Yeah. Bye-bye. Let's blow up everything. Come on, why is it bouncing all the place? Come on, shoot them! There's one more. And one to go. Oh, where is it going? Did it go downstairs? There's one more here. Shoot it out, come on. There you go. There you go. Number 2. Come on. Come here. Jump, you guys. Ah, I died. 2 against 1. It's okay. Hey. Come on. We lost. I was pummeling them. So bad. So bad. All right. I want to claim the treasure chest. I want to claim the treasure chest. Hey! They shot me down. Come on! I want to play round cat rally. 2 teams. Okay, I want to play snowfall. Come on, guys, snowfall, not ocean. Okay, fine. Ocean it is. Okay, we're green. So how the other team? Did it. Hey. Let me slice you. Bye. Here I go. Oh, 2 against 1. Come on! No, green tower's down. Okay, so come on. Ew. Come on, we need to destroy them. Don't let them take down our base. There you go. There goes that one. Off to the next one. What? Hit, 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 hit. Yes. Bye-bye. Woohoo! Let's go, team. Go, green team, go. Woohoo! Oh, that thing's still up. There you go. That's that. Blow it off the sky. Come on, we can do it. Take that. Blow, 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 blow. Destroy the bad guys. There you go. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Take down there. Spawn point. Destroy everything. Come on. We can do that. Blow it up. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Come on. Blow that thing up. Bye. Off to the other side. Blow it up. Boom. Yeah, there you go. Come on, push it down. Whoa. Yeah, I really need to be careful there. Don't know how to aim. Don't know how to aim. Blow it up. Push them off. Push them off. Ow. Somebody push me. Come on, shoot them. There you go. Bye-bye. Let's put on our sword. Ching. Come on. 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 Take it. Come on. Come on, yellow. Oh, he got me. Come on. No, not my spire. No! Where is he? Woohoo! Way to go, green! Royal victory! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Come on, guys! High five! High five! Woohoo! Great job! Great job! All did a good, great job. Yep, yep. Congratulations! Woohoo! Woo! Great job, everybody! Way to go, green! No! People are dying all over the place! So, I guess everybody wants to play Infection 2 teams. Let's play Hijang. Come on, Rainbow. Galaxy again? We did this last time. Alright, let's head out to the home of the bad guys. Woohoo! Oh, she got me. Come on! I was slicing and dicing her. What was this? Seriously? Okay. Come on. Let's rocket this place. That's a strange map. Shoot them! Shoot them down! There goes their tower! Bye-bye, tower! Okay, off to the next tower. Shoot them down! Shoot the tower! Shoot their tower! Blow them up! Take my cannon! Shoot their tower! Take them down! Blow everything they own! Blow them! Blow them up! Come on! Blow it up, there you go. Say bye-bye to your home. Ow! Blow their home. Blow them to Kingdom Come. Come on, yes, fall. Come on, don't miss them. Come on, smack them. Yeah. Blow it up. There you go. Yeah. Woo. You're dead. You're the only one left. Come. You committed suicide. Come on. Oh, there's one on our side. Okay, somebody push the elevator. Woohoo! Congratulations, blue team. Got it. Blue Spire victory. Okay. All right, this is Jellyfish signing off, and hope you enjoyed this uh, game of Super Spire. And I'll see you tomorrow.